Hello and welcome to the Culinary Exchange. My name's Matthew, and in this video we're making a raspberry sauce. To make our raspberry sauce, I have a small pan, and in it is a half a pound of frozen raspberries. To the raspberries I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar and 1/4 cup of water. I'm going to take this to the stove and simmer it to break apart the raspberries. I have our raspberries on the stove. I'm going to turn the heat to medium and bring the mixture to a simmer. I have a small bowl and my fine sieve. I'm just going to push it through and get rid of the seeds. And there you have it. That's how you make. Hey, for more great recipes and cooking tips, come visit us at theculinaryexchange.com and make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next video. I'm Matthew. Thanks for watching.